visiting Morocco for the first time felt like a dream. At any given time, you'll hear music echoing through the towns, the shouting of vendors through the spice souks, and the noise of motorbikes speeding off. You'll smell street food in the air with sweet hints of cinnamon and cardamom. Countless cats roam the streets and greet you in each new town. And the sun over the Sahara beats down as sand stretches on for an eternity. The sweet kiss of mint and Moroccan tea invites you into new traditions. And along the coast, seagulls sing as fishermen return to the harbor. It's new experiences and adventures that make me feel alive and able to let life in. When I'm traveling, I never really think about my hair and how the buildup of free radicals from everyday factors such as pollution, sun exposure, and even water can affect it. Especially when I traveled from the streets of Marrakesh to the dunes of the Sahara Desert. This year, I partnered with Herbal Essences Bio collection that purifies and protects hair from the inside out by trapping, neutralizing, and removing all of those damaging effects. The Herbal Essences Bio Argan Oil of Morocco collection helps repair hair for silkiness and shine. In Morocco, you'll often find women grinding argan seeds into a paste and harvesting the oil to use as a traditional hair treatment. Inspired by nature, Herbal Essences is the go-to for every adventure-seeking girl who wants healthy hair wherever she roams. The world is as open as you want it to be, and Herbal Essences' new collection helps let life into your hair. Feel more adventurous, more passionate, and more alive. Let life in. Excuse me.